Leaking water causes horrific damage to our buildings.
Water escape is the #1 most expensive problem in condominium operations.
I've been ankle deep in water, pushing water around at 4:30 in the morning after getting a phone call that there's a leak.
A major leak, it went down 30 stories, destroyed 200 units, and set back the occupancy of the building for months.
Penetrated the elevator shafts and the parking lot.
We had a pipe fitting on the 11th floor break loose during under pressure. Right through from 11th floor down to the ground floor, damaged drywall, ceilings, flooring.
Water damage costing more than $100,000 in repairs is not uncommon.
Cost hundreds of thousands of dollars.
$500,000 repair bill.
And it was a multi-million-dollar loss.
Those are things that we can't have happen.
Here at Tanu, we have the benefit of having a fresh start with Eddy Solutions.
A lot of time and care was put into this project, and what we want to ensure is that it's all protected.
There was a fan coil in one of the suites where one of the mechanical couplings came apart. It was a manufacturer defect, and had that leak continued without the Eddy system in place, it would have been much more damaging. In that instance, the damage was contained to the unit, some minor flooring replacement, as opposed to potentially taking out lobby finishes, ceilings, things like that through a public space, which would have been very impactful.
This is a really special project to us because it was actually one of our first with PCL where we had really great client engagement.
Eddy Solutions is a great product. We've been very happy with it here. The rollout has gone very smoothly. Everybody's been very engaged, coordinating well with each other, right from consultants to Eddy team to our PCL building team. We've been very happy overall, and the coordination has been very smooth.
We're very happy with Eddy and the services they provide, and we look forward to working with them on all of our future projects.